Hi guys! Today, we're here to introduce another exciting product from Nissan without wasting any time. An unmatched blend of power and soul, the Nissan GTR experienced the singular supercar that sculpts the wind, with enhanced aerodynamics to improve ride and handling for 2024. Stay tuned with us. The 2024 GTR features a redesigned front bumper, front lip, and canards. At the rear, bumper sides, and a revised rear spoiler help the GTR add downforce without increasing drag. If you liked this video till here far, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Each GTR gets to wear a true badge of honor, hand-assembled by one of the world's 5 master Takumi craftsmen, who affix their name on a plaque. AS-class drivers, the top development drivers at Nissan, help create a vehicle that shines on both road and track. To match the unique exterior colors, the 2024 GTR T-Spec features a bespoke interior that surrounds you in exclusivity. With semi-aniline leather appointments and synthetic suede inserts, GTR T-Spec begs to be driven, while also inviting you to spend some time just taking in the ambience. Custom engineered for GTR's cabin, it could be the sweetest sound outside the twin-turbo V6. With easy access to emergency response services, remote connectivity features, customizable alerts, and more, help can be as close as your compatible smartphone with Nissan Connect services through the My Nissan app. From the leather appointments surrounding you in premium luxury, to the supportive sports seats, to the available Napa leather-wrapped dashboard, the inside of a GTR is as exciting as the outside. To enhance handling and grip, GTR T-Spec wears special 20-inch gold-forged alloy wheels. Manufactured by Rays, the wider-than-stock wheels require wider front fenders to allow for clearance, while adding even more visual muscle to GTR's already powerful lines. Carbon ceramic is strong, exceptionally light, and heat-resistant. GTR T-Spec also employs larger rotors and pads, an especially rigid caliper, and special paint that will not change color, even at temperatures over 1,800 degrees. For enhanced response, GTR T-Spec also features special tuning of the VDC system. Increasing friction, the heart of braking, requires an incredibly hard compound. Carbon ceramic is strong, exceptionally light, and heat-resistant, a lesson learned from racing. The lighter weight of the braking system reduces unsprung weight, which enhances handling and steering response. A new mechanical front limited slip differential works with the rear limited slip differential to help dole out GTR Nismo's massive 600 horsepower and help carve out precise lines while turning. Connecting the power to the pavement, GTR Nismo features 20-inch Rays forged alloy wheels. A reduction in weight allows the suspension to react more quickly to driver input or road conditions, while the open design enhances cooling of the brake components. GTR Nismo's suspension setup is tuned for stunning agility and handling finesse without compromising refinement. The springs and custom-developed Bilstein Damptronic dampers in the front and rear suspension are specially tuned to deliver exceptional grip levels and progressive handling response at the limit. To enhance GTR's already rigid platform, additional adhesive bonding was added to key spot welds for increased body shell rigidity. Reducing weight over the nose of the vehicle lowers the overall center of gravity, enhances front-to-rear weight distribution, and improves cornering turn-in. Overall weight reduction by use of carbon fiber for much of the body enhances the power-to-weight ratio. Reducing the weight of the roof brings GTR Nismo's center of mass lower, enhancing stability, adding cornering grip, and providing flatter cornering.